Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marcella and I'm just a lifestyle vlogger, but I'm currently 36 weeks pregnant and about to have a baby, so I've just been bringing you guys along my journey and I'm so excited for you guys to be here. If you're not new here, then hi, welcome back, good to see you. So I'm just sitting in the nursery. It is so hot and I can't do anything about the heat. The heat is just insane, but today I wanted to officially pack and finish my hospital bag and the baby's hospital bag. So I figured I would show you guys what I have because I love getting your guys' advice. Like, you guys are commenting the best advice and I just adore you guys for it. So I wanted to post it before I gave birth so I could get advice, and then hopefully some of the stuff I packed gives you moms advice too. I'm a first-time mom, so I'm probably overpacking, but you know what? I figured it's fine. It's better to be overprepared than underprepared. But that being said, let's get into this video and go and pack my hospital bag and my baby boy's hospital bag. Okay guys, ignore the lighting, but like, look at me. I look like a literal housewife. This is all I wear now. Anything that fits my stomach is the only thing I wear. But like, don't I look like a literal housewife? I'm like, hey guys, come in, I made dinner for you. Just had my baby, heart. Like, I literally look like that. Okay, I just want to show you guys my outfit. What do you guys think? Anything that fits these days, I'm happy with. Okay guys, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. I literally am not kidding guys when I say I wear whatever fits. I went out with my sister yesterday to pick up the last few things from my hospital bag. I was not wearing a dress. This is my cute outfit, okay? This is me trying to be cute. When I go out, usually I'm wearing a, what do they call it? The Adam Sandler look. And I never understood it. My sister kept sending me memes about Adam Sandler look and whatever, but I was like, I don't see it. Like, what? And then I realized yesterday when I was out with my sister and I looked in the mirror at Walmart, I was like, I look like Adam Sandler. And I was so, like, it all just made sense to me and I was shook. So this is like my cute outfit, but I would not wear this to do anything. Like, I can't do it. I can't do it. Like, I have no care anymore on how I look. I've just given up. This is the first time I put makeup on in literally like what feels like months. I'm not even kidding. I wish I was being dramatic, but I'm not. Let me show you guys what I got going on here because I need to pack my hospital bag. I am 36 weeks and a few days and I have never felt so unprepared in my life. Like, even though I'm so prepared and like the nursery's like basically completely done and whatever, I still feel so unprepared. It's like, huh? I'm literally sweating guys, like, I can't handle heat at all. Figured, like, I don't know which bag to start with. Do I start with my bag first? And yes, I literally have a huge suitcase. Come at me, okay? I have a lot of stuff. Or should I do my baby's bag? My baby's bag is like his diaper bag, but nothing is in here that is like related to his diaper bag. I took everything out, fresh start. But if you are curious what's in his diaper bag, I will leave the link to that video below, or just go click on my channel. It's one of my most recent videos of what's in his diaper bag. But this is gonna be a what's in his hospital bag. I've done a lot of research and whatever. I also made a shorts video if you want to go watch that, but I'm just gonna go through his hospital bag really quickly. So I'm using the Fawn diaper bag. And let me just show you what's on the outside. So I have his sound machine, which I'm going to be bringing to the hospital, his nipple sterilizer / pacifier sterilizer, and then this mushy pacifier holder, which is filled with the Bibs pacifier. So I have the Try It collection, and I have all 4 of them shoved in there, but I'm not going to take them all out. And then I have a clip. So whichever one he ends up liking, I'm going to put the clip on and he can use that one. But they're all just shoved in here nicely. The hospital I'm giving birth at, they supply diapers and almost everything you need they have, but I was told that they don't do wipes. So that's the one thing I'm bringing, which I just shoved in the back here, which is just like my wipes, because, you know, apparently they use cloths and I'm just like, I feel like wipes will be easier, especially when they first are born. I learned from my sister that they have very interesting poops, so I'm trying to be prepared here. And I did pack a couple diapers, the Honest brand diapers, just in case. Okay, and then everything else is literally shoved in the big pouch. So let's get through this real quick. So first things first is I have like his stuff for like pictures and memories and stuff. So I got this sign. Looks like this from Amazon. It just says hello world, and then there's name, date, height, and weight. So this is like his announcement pictures. And then I have this that was gifted to me just for his little feet that we're gonna get on a memory. I have syringes for my colostrum. So I've actually been collecting colostrum since I was about 31 weeks. So I do have a big stash, but I want to bring some for the hospital because he'll eat out of this for his colostrum. So I packed 5 3 ml ones, and then I also am packing this Medela milk storage in case I have extra. And then I just have a little rattle toy. I thought it'd be cute in pictures, and also just like if he wanted it. And then for his diaper changes, because I heard they can be like kind of sticky, kind of hard, and I don't want him to be in any pain, and also like suggestions, I have Peniton for any rashes, and then the Honest Soothing Bum Spray. So you just like spray it there and it helps, like, you know. And then we're gonna go into his outfits. So I'll show you guys the one my husband insisted that I packed. It's actually really cute. So it's like, look how cute this is. It's like a little Nike set, and the shorts I think are like my favorite. Like, do you see those shorts? Like, stop it. You're literally kidding me. That's so cute. So I have this pack. The next outfit option I have is a bit of like a warmer one. So just a white one from Carter's with these little green pants. So that's another outfit option. And then this one's more for photos. This is what I want to take his photos in. This is just a set from H&M. So it says cutest little buddy, I think that's what it says, and then it has these matching pants. That is so freaking cute. And then just for his sleeping, in case we end up staying in the hospital for a couple days, like I hope that we don't, but I like to be prepared because it's better to be safe than sorry. I have this little sleeper for him, and then like pajamas, and then this is like the sleeper. So just a little green sleeper for him to be all swaddled and cozy. And then I didn't know which swaddle I'd want, so I packed a blue muslin one, and then the green one is more for the photos. And I have this super cute hat that matches this muslin swaddle. I don't know if the camera's showing it, but it's like this like really cute minty sagey green color, and they're so cute for pictures. And then literally the last thing for him is I just packed 2 muslin burp cloths, and that's literally everything in his hospital bag. If you guys have any recommendations for me, then like please comment them down below. But from what I could tell, I didn't actually need that much stuff, so I kind of just packed mostly for like pictures and like cuteness and stuff like that. But from my understanding, my sister gave birth at this hospital. Almost everybody I know gave birth at this hospital, and the hospital's like really good at supplying everything that you might need. Now it's time to go in to my bag. I can't believe, like, it's so surreal that I'm packing my hospital bag, because I literally was like 10 weeks pregnant, and I was like, wow, I can't believe like one day I get to pack my hospital bag. Like, when that happens, it's like real, you know what I mean? And it's so true. Like, I'm shook at how real everything feels to me right now. Like, shook. Okay, so kind of just shoved everything in here, but I am packing 2 towels. I know everyone's gonna say you're gonna need dark ones, you don't want to get blood on it, or you don't want these to get wrecked. I don't care, honestly. These are just like my favorite towels. I packed 2, one for my husband, one for me, or both for me. Who knows? So I got 2 towels, and then I have just a pair of black sweatpants and a black t-shirt. This is what I've been wearing every day because I don't know what mood I'm gonna be in. And then if I'm in a better, like, comfier mood, I did pack this dress. It's just a cute sagey green dress that I packed for, this is like if I'm in the mood, you know what I mean? Like, if I'm feeling like putting a little effort into my outfit so I can take some cute pictures, then I'll do that, but who knows what I'm gonna do. I have what I'll be like giving birth in, which is like, I have nighties. So I got this one from Walmart. Okay, I get it. It looks like an old nighty granny night dress. Okay, I get it, and I don't care because it's so comfy. I have the exact same one but in pink, and I've had it for like a month, and I've been wearing it every single night. Like, I can't go to bed in anything else because this is just so handy. As you guys know, I've been collecting my colostrum since 31 weeks, and do you see this? It literally unzips, and then I just collect my colostrum and zip it back up. Are you kidding me? So comfy. But that's one of the reasons why I like this dress, is because it unzips all the way, so it's easy access for the doctors or whatever. So I have this, and that's my plan to give birth in. Not the cutest, and I am filming my birth, So you guys will see me in it, and not the cutest, but don't judge me because comfort over style. And then I figured that one would get all gross and dirty, and then I'd want to wear something after I give birth, like after I kind of freshen up a bit, but I know they'll still be doing cervix checks or whatever they need to be doing. So I want to have a second nightie. This one's a lot cuter. I just have this like really lightweight, it's like a t-shirt fabric one, so that they can still easily access what they need to access without me having to, like, you know, I don't know. Maybe I'll end up wearing the hospital gowns, who knows. And then I also packed a pair of slippers. They're just like these. They're nothing special, just slippers. I am a slippers person. I like my slippers, so I packed that. I do have a pair of hospital flip-flops for the showers. I just don't have them packed right now. I have like a list of things I'll still need to pack, but I do have those. So I have a portable fan, this one, which I could really use right now. It's just super simple, small. I was told to bring one. Your girl has one. I have my breast pump prepared. I fully charged them, got them ready. It is the Bella Baby breast pump. It is so good. I have this heat pack. Didn't know if I need it. If I was gonna have back labor, then it's good to have. I have that one. I'm so weird, but I like labeled all my chargers. So I have my breast pump charger in there, my phone charger, the sanitizer charger, the sound machine charger. All the chargers are in here. And then I also brought an extension cord because they always say bring long chargers, but I just really like my one charger. So instead I'm just bringing an extension cord because that seems a lot easier. And then just a few quick basic things and then we're done. Hairbrush. I have makeup remover wipes, and yes, I am planning on packing makeup. That doesn't mean I'm gonna put makeup on, but you know, I figured it might give me something to do. A mini perfume, and then this bag is like some of my items I'm using as like my, how do I say it, they're like my labor tools, I guess. But I have a bunch of different types of combs and like these little hairbrushes, and I was told they work really good for when you're laboring for contractions. I have these candies to like suck on. I have gum to chew. Rub A535. I have 2 bottles of it because I don't know, if I put it on my back or anywhere, it distracts me so much. I love the heat from it, and it like burns and it like feels cool. So I have that, and then I also have this sage roller thing that my sister gave to me, and these are gonna be kind of like a few of my tools that I have planned to kind of help me through contractions and help me get through labor. And then I also have all these tea lights that are like fake that I got from Dollarama to like set the vibe and like make it all moody and cozy for me. I have this bag which is just all my hygiene stuff. So I bought a mini lotion, mini shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, my skincare, Tylenol, scrunchies, toothbrush, toothpaste, all the things you can think of, a face towel. I packed it in this little section. I don't want to undo it because everything's falling out, and I really don't want to put it back together. I packed a few stuff for like postpartum care. I packed some diapers because I wasn't sure if they were going to have like plus size friendly diapers, which comment down below if you know if they do. I was nervous. I packed the Freedom Mama prenatal bottle because I don't care what anyone says. I've seen the ones the hospital gives you, and I'm not trying to make my life difficult. I just want something easy, and theirs seems way too hard. So I packed it for myself, and then I just have a big pad and the Freedom Mom healing foam, and that's all like my after birth care. I'm sitting on a literal bouncy ball right now. I'm not even kidding. It is so comfy. Like, I'm just bouncing here. So nice. I'm bringing this with me for sure. Yeah, and other than that, that's literally everything I have. I have a few other things that I haven't packed yet, and or that I'll pack the day of. Like, for example, I have like my mirror I'm bringing with me, my makeup, all my camera stuff, my laptop, my iPad. But other than that, that's everything I have. I don't think I overpacked, to be honest. It's honestly not that much. Wow, this angle of me is so flattering. I just love it. Okay guys, that being said, that is it for today's video. I'm so happy I got that done, and I hope that gave you guys some ideas, and if you have any ideas for me, comment them down below because your girl's gonna take all the help she can get. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I haven't been posting as much, but like I've been so tired. Oh my gosh, I have to tell you guys something really quick. So I had an ultrasound at 36 weeks, and the girl is taking my ultrasound. She's like, look at your baby's foot, and I'll insert a picture up here, but I look at it and I'm like, yeah, what? And she's like, it's huge. And she's like, I hope you didn't buy any newborn shoes because they're not gonna fit his feet. And I was like, what are you talking about? She's like, it's over 3 inches. And I was like, what? is that normal? And she's like, it's Bigfoot. Anyway, so my son has really big feet apparently, so that was exciting and interesting. He's also like marking higher than the average, so that's also exciting, I guess, but making me a little bit nervous. But anyways, comment on this video any suggestions that you have, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and get ready because like literally in a few weeks I'm gonna be posting my birth vlog. I'm literally gonna vlog me giving birth and I'm posting it. Okay, I'm gonna go and change into my nightie and go to sleep because I need a nap and I'm really tired. Okay, bye guys, I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.